Hey guys, what's up? This is AJ and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are looking for a Skechers walking shoe under 3k, then I got one for myself and I would highly recommend this to all of you guys as well. So let's get started with unboxing and the review. As you can see, I've already done the unboxing, and the name of the shoes is Skechers Deluxe Walker with air-cooled memory foam. And in the right we don't have anything. We check on the left. So this is the color that I ordered, and then we have the model as Deluxe Walker Pensive. The size, it's machine washable and it's slip-on shoe. So yeah, it has laces, but those are the stretchable ones and you need not tie them at all. So that is a big plus if you want this as a daily walking shoe for yourself or a daily use shoe. And apart from that, here is the price that is mentioned. So the MRP is 5,999 and it's imported and marketed by Skechers South Asia. Let's have a look at the shoe and how the design is. The laces I was talking about, here it is guys. So we have a Deluxe Walker badging over here, nothing at the back, the Skechers logo at the side, and in the front there is another Skechers Deluxe Walker. And let me open it. Yes, this is a air cooled memory foam on the inside, and these laces are stretchable as well. And yeah, you need not open and tie them every time you wear the shoe. So that is a big plus point of the shoe. Very durable and daily usable, I must say. And the texture is also a mesh cloth type. It is machine washable, and on the front we have a rubber lip covering the front part, and nothing on the right. And this is the left shoe, and same goes for the right one as well. So on this side we have the Skechers logo, the Deluxe Walker printed, and yeah, the Skechers badging at the front. That's how the shoe is guys, and I got it under 3k in Myntra. I would provide the link of this item in the description of the video, so kindly visit, and if you want, definitely go ahead and order it. So that's the end of the video. I will see you in the next one. Please like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Bye bye.